Hello everyone, my name is Usman Shehu. Today I'm gonna show you how to make your phone remote control of any TV. Firstly, let's go to directly to Play Store. So Play Store and search Universal Remote Control. Okay, so as we can see here is we have universal remote control for TV and AC, universal TV remote control, universal remote control landline, something something. So let's go directly to the second one, which is universal TV remote control, and install it. As you can see here, I've already installed it. So once you have clicked install, it will show you something like this, and then click open. Yeah, so as you are seeing here, we are at the universal TV remote background. This we have two options, which is smart TV remote and the IRCB remote. The smart TV remote are the TVs that have Bluetooth or wireless. So you can use that wireless or Bluetooth to connect them. And then if you the IRS is the normal TV, so you can use. We can as now I have IRCB remote. I have IRCB, so let me go directly to this IR. So after you choose the IRCB, you are now going to go and directly and search the your TV brand, which is my own is Samsung. My own is Samsung. Let me go and search for Samsung. So here is Samsung. Yes. So we are going to wait for it to a few seconds and then click close. That one is add. Okay. So here we are. Here is our remote for my Samsung. So here is the volume up, volume down. Here is the OK and other control navigations. So this is it. So please, if you enjoy our video, please click subscribe button and then click the bell button.